welcome back to another dance tutorial here at Learn How to Dance, where you can find simple, easy, and step-by-step dance tutorials. So, some of you have been requesting the belly bounce dance move. Thank you guys so much for all the requests, and thank you, Rebecca, for being the first one to request it. I know that you guys probably requested this dance for your TikTok videos, but you know it's also just a nice dance move to add to your freestyle dance. Yeah? Now, before we get into it, I just want to say that this dance tutorial of how to do the belly bounce dance is an easy version that is meant for beginners. So if you are an advanced dancer, then I will check out this video instead. He's much better at it than I am. This is, like I said, for beginners. Okay, so in order to do the belly bounce dance, first step, get some chairs. Done. Now you might be wondering, why do I need chairs? Well, because then you can take up some of the weight so that you can practice this slow whoop. Okay, so first thing I want you to practice is standing like this. Feet are approximately shoulder width, and you will be standing on the ball of your foot here, this part. So I'm just going to show you from the side. I will be standing like this. Boom, 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 boom. So again, to the front. From here, let's just practice out, in. And notice that I'm bent here. Yes, I'm slightly down in level. I'm going to go out, in, in, out, in. So let's try a bit faster. We go boom, and boom, and boom, and boom. Again, 7, 8, we go out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in. Now, once you can do this, I want you to practice lifting your foot one at a time. Whoop, and whoop, and whoop. So, you need to lift it when you say out, in, lift, and out, down. Yeah, so let's just try that. So we're gonna say out, in, lift, in, out, down. Now let's try to do to the other side. So we're gonna go out, in, left, up, in, out, down, out, up, out, down, out, up, out, down. So let's try to do out, up, right, and left, and down. So let's try that. 5, 6, 7, 8, out, in, up, in, out, down, out, up, out, down, out, up, out, down, out, up. Now once you've practiced that a few times, and just try to speed up. Yeah, and remember, your knees have to be bent, and you don't have to lift your legs that high yet. So again, 7, 8, out, in, up, in, out, in, up, in, out, in, up, and. Just practice with the tempo that you feel comfortable with. Now in the beginning, of course, you can just do it small, but once you get comfortable with this, you can try to do bigger, higher, whoop, 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 faster. Now, once you can do that with the chairs, then get rid of the chairs and then practice without the support. Yeah, so start practicing this, and then you can lift your legs. Just start small, and then you can exaggerate afterwards. Now, an important thing to notice is that when you do this slow, you need to lean more to the sides. Yeah, but when you do it fast, you just here, more in the center at least. And if you're doing it slow, you need to lean a bit more to keep the balance. And then you can add some arms, you can do whatever. Personally, I think it's also cool just without any hands. Just keep them here. Alright guys, that's it for this dance tutorial of how to do the belly bounce dance. Easy. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.